This app that we're launching today will give youth, especially those living in rural and remote areas of our province, the chance to seek and receive help and services on demand.
I just think, there's some real benefits, and this is really fantastic. And yet, this isn't the final solution for all young people across BC in terms of their mental health needs.
COVID-19 has hit everyone's mental health, and it's been particularly hard on young people. Now, the province has launched a mental health app, offering on-the-spot continuous access to counselors, health practitioners, and peer supports for kids and youth. However, some experts worry there are significant limitations with digital tools like these.
From mental health care, substance use services, primary and sexual health care, youth and family, peer support, and social services.
The app, called Foundry BC, is available to those aged 12 to 24 free of charge. It covers an array of topics and resources to support mental health in youth. Sarah Blackmore is a clinical counselor with Peak Resilience in Vancouver. She says digital access is great, but worries young people may find it difficult to access the same counselor on a regular basis.
Continuity of care, it sounds like to me, is quite a big limitation. And I think we have to think about the relationship is the most important piece of counseling and mental health support. It's actually the #1 predictor of client success, the relationship that you have with your mental health practitioner.
Blackmore also points out that some young people don't have easy access to internet or a phone of their own.
What we've heard from students doing schoolwork from home, that sometimes there are simply not enough devices for a young person to have private, secure, safe access.
Dr. Shelley Emil is a professor at the University of British Columbia who studies child and social development. She's happy to see the investment in mental health and believes the biggest hurdle in the past to get kids to use these resources is often the time it takes to talk to a real person.
So one of my colleagues tried to do it. She spent 26 different phone calls before she could actually get to somebody. Now that's ridiculous, and that was a few years ago, but the point is kids will not put up with that, so you need some immediate access.
Since the soft launch of the Foundry BC app in March, almost 1,100 youth, families, and caregivers have registered. Blackmore emphasizes the app is a great start, but when it comes to mental health, there's no one size fits all.
I think we also know that there's no substitute for in-person mental health support and care.
In New Westminster, Ashley Burr, City News.